Yes, so in the recycling life, you're gonna have to melt the plastic. And when you melt the plastic, you're gonna have a lot of contaminations, okay? So what you need to do, you need to remove all these contaminations. Contaminations such as paper, cardboard, metal, any type of contamination that you may have in the plastic. So you need to remove it in order to recreate new pellets in order, for people to reuse these pellets to create new plastic parts.
So you guys do this for specifically recycled plastic?
We do this for the pelletizing people, okay? So we just work only on the pelletizing line, and we again, try to sell as many filters to make a better life for our children, okay? That's the future, of course. We focus mainly on PCR, so post-consumer, because we think that the future is going to be post-consumer. Everybody wants to do post-consumer in the future, okay? And we think it's going to be the future, so this is why everything we do is specifically on PCR. Post-industrial, it's very easy. Everybody can do post-industrial, so this is why our focus is on post-consumer. We're developing this market, okay? We have a strong technology, very strong technology. We have a big name today, and we push actually equipment to make sure that people understand that you need to remove everything from this plastic, okay? And we are the only one. For example, we are the only one who can work in PVC with an automatic continuous melt filter. PVC is very aggressive, so you need to make a very special filter in order to remove all the contamination for PVC. We are the only one in the world who can do that. We are everywhere in the world. For example, this week we have 6 exhibitions worldwide. So we try actually to promote what we do, to make sure that people understand what FIMIC does, to make sure that what people understand what the filter can do for them. The main thing that we try to explain to people is pelletizers, they may have an issue. They say, well, maybe I have some gel, maybe I have some aluminum, maybe I have some metal, or too much plastic, too much paper, too much cardboard. So they have a problem. We propose a solution, okay? So this is what we do. You have a problem, we suggest a solution for you. That's the main thing for us.